Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says this file does not have an app associated with it for performing this action. Please install an app, or if one is already installed, create an association in the default app settings page. So how you can fix this? Let's get started. First, what you have to do is open registry editor. How to open registry editor? Go over to your desktop and search here reg edit. It will say registry editor, just click on it and then click on yes. Now make sure when you click on view, make sure the address bar is checked. Now what you have to do is you have to type in this command, this path, computer h key underscore classes underscore root /inc file. Make sure you type it as it is, same, capital and small letters same. Now when you type this and hit enter, you will be brought to this folder, and here you will find is shortcut underscore old. Just right click on it and then delete. Then restart your PC and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.